Welcome to this technical guide on the Vitamix. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Vitamix blender is making a strange noise, it could be a sign that something is wrong with the clutch. This noise often occurs when the blades are not turning properly, which can lead to further damage if not addressed promptly. Ignoring the issue might result in a complete breakdown of your blender, leaving you without a reliable kitchen companion. To fix this issue, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement clutch, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth to clean any spillage. First, ensure that your Vitamix is unplugged for safety. Begin by removing the container from the base and setting it aside. Next, use a screwdriver to carefully remove the screws located at the bottom of the blender base. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the base cover to expose the internal components. At this point, locate the faulty clutch, which is usually situated near the motor. You may need to use pliers to disconnect any cables gently attached to it. Take care not to pull too hard, as this may damage nearby components. After disconnecting the cables, you can remove the old clutch by unscrewing it from its position. Replace it with the new clutch, ensuring that it is securely fastened in place. Reconnect any cables that were previously disconnected, making sure they are firmly attached without any loose connections. When everything is back in place, carefully reattach the base cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Be sure to apply the right amount of force when tightening the screws. Over-tightening can lead to damage. Finally, plug your Vitamix back in and do a quick test run to ensure it operates smoothly without any strange noises. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check the condition of your blender's components and avoid overloading your Vitamix with too many ingredients at once. Also, make sure to clean it properly after each use to prevent any buildup that could lead to future issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.